Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to install and use Copilot AI tools in mobile. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do, if you are using Android phone, just head over to your Play Store on Android phone. If you are using iPhone, just go to your App Store. And then once you open up your App Store or your Google Play Store on Android phone, what you need to do next is to click on search right here. Then it takes you right here. Next thing you want to do is to come to the search at the top. What you need to do next is to type in Copilot. Then click on search. Then it takes you right here. Now, as at the time of making this video, 10 million plus apps successfully download and use this app. What you need to do is to simply click on here, Copilot. Then it take you right here. At this point here, next thing you need to do is to simply click on install right here. Just like so. After a successful install, next thing you need to do is to simply click on open. Just like so, it's going to open up like what you see right here. Now, before you can use Copilot AI tool, you will need to create a free account. But if you have an account with Copilot before, what you need to do is to simply click on login right here. So I'm going to simply click on login. But if you don't have an account with Microsoft before, just click on continue or click on next. Then take you right here. And then next thing you want to do here is to simply click on continue with Microsoft. Then right here, my Microsoft account has been fully connected. So if you don't have an account, what you need to do is to simply click on here to create a free account with Microsoft. So what I'm going to do right here is to click on continue straight up to Copilot with my Outlook account. Boom. Then right here, nice to meet you, Yakubu Rafiu. How should my voice sound? You can simply choose on any one of the options right here, or better still, click on pick later. Click on pick later, then it take you right here, allow access to your location, just like so, and then you have your Copilot AI successfully installed into your phone. Now, how do you use Copilot AI tool? There are so many things you can use Microsoft Copilot AI to perform some certain tasks, such as I want to practice speaking a new language, 2 easy baking recipes. So these are the simple way to ask Copilot question. It's just like your assistant chat. Okay. Now let's see how we can simply make use of this. Then I will simply click on here and type in, can you please give me 10 ways to use Copilot. Then I will send. So in a few seconds, it's going to give me 10 ways answering question, whether it's about history, tech, or something else. Ask anyway. Recommending movies. So you can see. So in a few seconds, it gives me 10 ways by which I can use this particular Copilot to do some stuff. Okay, now if you want to continue with your chat, you can simply ask, can you please make this in table 4? Then click on send. So just like what you have right here, it has arranged everything in table 4. It's as simple as that. You can also add this Copilot. Can you please translate this into Chinese language? So can you please translate this into Chinese language? Then send. So in a few seconds, you can see the result right here. We have everything right here in Chinese language. You can continue to ask different types of questions, and then Copilot is going to give you accurate answer. You can also make use of the mic right here, this particular mic right here, to ask question in audio form and you get the particular result. You can also use this plus sign right here. This allows you to upload picture, or you can also upload audio with talk right here. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to install and use Copilot AI tool in mobile. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.